Alright guys, we got another box from Simagic here that I ordered my wheels. So we're gonna open it up really quick. See how they look. Oh yeah. I love these. I love opening boxes. Woohoo! There's the quick releases. And my paper and my address. You can't have none of that. Alright. Here we go. Okay. There's one. Two. They're the same boxes, but not the same wheels. I'm hoping not. I have a very, very bad cold. Oh, upside down. Okay, there's one. I do need a wheel hub for one of these. And the other one is gonna be for rally racing. Oh, there it is. Okay, for this one, this is the P-325D. This is for little sports cars and stuff that I'm gonna be using. And this is the P-330R for rally racing. It's a nice wheel. Got a cover here. It's gonna go on top as well. Mounting hardware. Yeah, and so does that one come in there. And then of course I got two of these quick releases. Toss that away. These have the screws on there as well. So, and there's the quick release. I'm hoping these work with just putting these on here like that. And the wheelbase is gonna pick him up. Do the holes align? Yes, they do. I did buy the right one. So let's I'm gonna leave this one for, I'm not gonna put this one together, but I will put the rally wheel together because I will get a hub for this one, because I do want a hub on this one for the racing cars. So let's put that aside and let's put this one here together. Let me change that camera view. Okay. Alright, let's take this out. There we go. Okay, let's put this together. Let's see this. 6 bearings up on top. Just like this. I'm gonna do that like that. Okay, so we're gonna open this up as well. Here. Oh my god, like seriously. It's so hard to open. They really got it packaged. Ah, yeah, so there it is. We need holes there. So it's gonna be these 3. So I'm gonna put a screw here. One there. They're all the same. And one here. I'm really wondering if this will actually work, if it'll pick up this wheel without a hub on it, like a Neo hub, not just a quick release here. Okay, let's give him a little snug turn. Okay, put the cover back on. Oh, that's not gonna look nice. Oh, look at that. One extra, just in case you're clumsy and drop one. Okay, give it a little snug. Oops. And there it is. Okay, and here we go. Let me look at my phone here. There it is. That is beautiful. And the leather here and the stitching is really, really nice. And I mean, these right now from Sim Shop, $59 for this wheel, not including the Simagic quick release here, wheel side quick release. But altogether, I think it was 106. So not a bad price. Hopefully it works. So let's go over and check it out. Okay, so let's take this and see if it'll pick up. Where's my keyboard? Okay, will it work? See our devices here. Take this one off. Is that gonna disconnect? Yes, it will. And then, yep, 6 up. Boop. Connect here. This works. Nice. I mean, it's not gonna pick up any of these, but that's not what we want to look at. We are gonna do this. Change this. Ooh. Let's see here. What is this? Map, I don't even know. Let's see this. Does this one even work? Vehicle category rally. There we go. Audi, Citroen, Ford Fiesta. And this is for gravel tires. Yeah, let's do this one. Change the color, of course. Blue. And jump in it. There is gonna have to be some adjustments on this. For inside the car, but yeah, look at all this. Oh my gosh, that's horrible. Well, that's not working. So turn this back on. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay guys, so I tried this multiple times, but it just kept crashing my game, so I finally gave up on it. But if you guys, anyone out there knows how to fix this, or if there is a way to fix this, because I would really love this wheel for rally racing, because I do not want any buttons on there. I do not want any paddle shifters or anything, but for my other wheel, the D-shaped one, I will be getting a button box for that, or the wheel hub, because I want to have that for my sports cars and stuff. And yeah, if you know how to fix this or go around it, please let me know in the comments. That would be great. I would be grateful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.